Hi guys, welcome to Zandrake's World, and we're here for another unboxing. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell para updated ka sa ating mga upcoming videos. And also don't forget to follow our social media accounts on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and X. Alright, so we're gonna unbox this item, and to be honest, I'm not familiar kung ano naman ito. But yeah, let's show it to you. So ito ay binili ng aking misis, and I wanted to share with it to you guys because sabi niya magandang item daw ito. Oh, okay. Wow. Wow, what is this? This is Minecraft, right? So it's two pieces of writing pads. Okay, so dalawang ng writing pad to. So dito, ayan, pina-customize ko anong grade. Yung anak ko grade 3. Ayan, writing pad. Ito yung characters na pinrint, which is the Minecraft characters. Ito si Alex, si Steve, and si Creeper. At yun nga sa likod, same. Well, si Alex at si Steve na lang yun nandito sa likod. You can see the print. It's yeah, kind of 3D ang effect. Okay, and it's from, again, Triple J Prints. I mentioned sa Facebook, lagay dyan ang kanilang store. Okay, so if gusto nyo mag-order nito for to customize yung yung writing pad ng anak nyo, so punta lang kayo dyan. Or if meron pa kayo ibang store, share nyo naman dyan sa comments kung mayroong iba. Pero the kind of quality na writing pad, para siyang notebook pero mas matigas siya. This is laminated from what I see. It's laminated itong covers na to. Doon ako pakita ulit yung harap kasi may pangalan ng anak ko ayan, it's laminated din yung harap at likod. Ayan yung spring. Okay, wow, nakakatawa tong ganito. Hindi uso dati tong mga gantong item, no? Pero ngayon meron na siyang ganyan. So ayan siya, yung writing pad for grade 3. Itinelt ko dito banda kasi hindi yung pangalan ng anak ko. May pangalan dito yung anak ko. Then dito pwede pa rin pagsulat ng pangalan, yung date. Alam mo kung anong downside nito sa hingian ng papel. Malalaman ng teacher kung kanino galing originally yung papel kasi may nakaprint na pangalan dito sa ibaba. Ayan siya, ganyan siya Ayan, kita mo yung character na nakaprint, and dito yung pangalan sa ibaba. Ayan kita nyo. Ayoko lang pakita, syempre it's a private something protecting my son. Public. Ayan. Ay, okay. Ayan, may pangalan siya sa baba. Ayan, dito sa part na to. Yan, yung pangalan. Pa-print dyan. Pag hinga na ng papel, patay ka na, lagot na. Pero yan, ang ganda. So, bawat page nito may nakaprint. Ayan, bawat page niyan, ganyan siya. Ayan, with the design. Okay? So, ganun lang siya kasimple. Alright. Yan na yun, yung pad paper or writing pad for grade 3. Of course, this is kind of unique para sa child mo. So kung gusto mo magpa-customize ng writing pad for your children, pwede kang mag-contact dito sa Triple J Prints. Okay, so maganda yung gawa nila, maganda yung type ng paper. Ayan.
Okay guys, so dyan na nagtatapos ang ating unboxing. I hope na nagustuhan nyo itong unboxing video natin na ito. And kung gusto mo rin magpa-customize ng writing pad for your kids, you may visit the FB page for Triple J Prints. And of course, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, i-click mo na yung subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more updates. Share mo na din itong video, mag-like, and leave a comment below with your location para mabati kita sa upcoming videos natin. Also, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and X. So see you on the next video. Bye-bye!